Unraveling the art of be artful. Enhance your English expressions. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that might tickle your creative side: be artful. It's a phrase that's as intriguing as it is expressive, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in your everyday English conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the art behind being artful. The phrase, be artful, can be a bit of a chameleon in the English language. At its core, it's all about skill and cleverness. When someone tells you to be artful, they're not asking you to become the next Picasso or Shakespeare. Instead, they're suggesting you to be crafty, cunning, or ingenious in your approach to a situation. Imagine you're trying to convince a friend to join you for a movie, and they're undecided. If you be artful, you might cleverly highlight parts of the movie that you know they'll love, without them realizing you're steering their decision. Being artful isn't just about being clever. It has several shades of meaning depending on the context. Strategic thinking. Sometimes, to be artful means to think one step ahead, like a chess player anticipating moves. Tactful communication. It can also mean to speak or act in a way that is sensitive to the situation, avoiding offense while still achieving your goal. Creative problem solving. At times, it's about coming up with creative solutions to complex problems. Remember, being artful is admired when it leads to positive outcomes, but if used for deceit or manipulation, it might not be received well. Let's see how be artful can play out in different scenarios. In negotiations, she was artful in her negotiations, securing a deal that benefited both parties. In social settings, he was artful in his storytelling, captivating the audience without revealing too much. In work environments, they were artful in managing the project, navigating through challenges with creative solutions. As an English language learner, being artful can also apply to the way you learn. Be strategic. Plan your studies and know what works best for you. Be tactful. Communicate with others in a way that helps you learn, without being afraid to make mistakes. Be creative. Find fun and engaging ways to practice English, like through games, music, and videos. I hope this video has shed some light on how to be artful, both in language and life. Remember, it's a phrase that embodies cleverness, strategy, and creativity. Use it wisely, and it can open doors to new ways of thinking and speaking. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep practicing and exploring the beauty of the English language. Until next time, take care and be artful in all that you do.